So we just got to a place we booked. It's called Acacia Villa, and the first impression is the place looks so greeny. The view of Kampala, you see. But this is nice, man. Uganda is cute. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you know, when we get somewhere new, when we get to somewhere new or some new place, we have to show you guys where I'm staying and how much it costs. So right now I'm going to show you guys how the place looks like. You know, I'm in this beautiful place, beautiful neighborhood next to, like they told me it's near Kololo, and Kololo is the richest neighborhood in Uganda, and I'm staying in Acacia, and the place is called Acacia Villa. This one behind me. Yeah, they have two sections. They have this one and they have another upper one, and you will see it in my previous video. You know, you will see it because that's where we stopped to get, you know, to get check it in or anything else. So I'm going to show you guys the room, and I will tell you how much it costs, you know, later. So as you get inside, it goes like this. You see, this is the place. You can see, yeah, it's just calm, very calm and very nice. On this side we have the kitchen. When you came this area, you know, the kitchen, it has almost like, it has everything. It has water, cooking gas, hello, sink, kettle, plates, you know, everything, even the fridge. You know, the kitchen has everything, and if I want to cook, I can use this one to cook. Yeah. And then we continue like this. Those are rooms, I guess, and my room is right there, but we have to share the bathroom with my neighbor, which is this. This is the bathroom, this is the sink, and this is the sitting, you know, the bathroom. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and it has hot shower. It's kind of spacious. Yeah, I mean, this one is not very small. You can see, very nice. And let's go to the room. Ta-da! Yeah, you see the room. It feels nice. Yeah, I mean, depending on the money I paid, this one looks nice. And here is my bag. So in the room we have the fan, because Uganda tends to be hot sometimes. So we have a fan, we have a mosquito net in case there is mosquitoes. We have the, I don't know which size is this, you know, but it's not the king size. We have two pillows, and we have curtains that are looking brown and red. Yeah, like this. We have this working area where I can sit editing my videos and doing my thing. We have the towels, and this is the outside. And guys, oh, I forgot to show you the other part of outside, like a very cute outside place. You see, this is another table. Like, I forgot to show you guys, like, it have a very nice view outside. So we are going to go there and see how it is, but first let's finish the room. You see, this is the room. It doesn't have the closet, is it closet, or, you know, wardrobe. It doesn't have it, but it's okay. For the money we paid, it's okay. You see, this is how it is. This is the room. You know, it's not so small because it's like this, and I can fit on this bed. I'm not that big. I can fit on this bed, and it's really, really, really affordable. So let's go and check out, because outside looks better than inside, to be honest. I mean, I just like the view. I can sit there doing my crochet, you know. Remember to live where you are busy surviving. You understand? And here goes your girl. Yeah, So you see they have very cute art. Read yourself, not people, you know. And guys, let me tell you, this place have a very strong Wi-Fi. This place is not having any issue with the internet, and they have some cute flowers here, you see, and another one. So let's go behind and I'll show you guys the view. This is my room, my neighbor's room. Ta-da! 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 You see, so you can come here, sit. Oh, let me tell you, I love these cute little flowers like this. I don't know, I just love them. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, like, yo, it's all like, it have that vibe of like traditional. Is it the name? Is that the correct name? But I hope you understand what I'm saying. It doesn't have the modern vibe. It just have like somewhere quiet where you can sit, relax, and enjoy your time, you know. So you can sit here, maybe when you are doing a journal, or you are, you know, doing your things, even doing crochet. Look at the background, look at the garden, looks so cute. And some people live upstairs or are staying upstairs. Look at this beautiful garden. Yeah, it looks so nice and quiet when you come to this area. You know, there is some construction going on, but it's nice. Look at the flowers, look at the flowers. Look at this one. Is this a flower or something? Maybe it's considered as a flower. And this one too. Also this one. Yeah. So this is the area. They're doing some laundry, and they told me that I can sit here on this balcony if I'm just relaxing, you know. This is a shared balcony. Like, I can sit here doing my crochet, enjoying my time here. Oh my goodness, but the sun is burning. Oh, the sun is burning my skin. It's burning the hair out of me. Yeah, there's a rocking chair. This one is a rocking chair. So let me try it on. Yeah, like, it's my first time seeing a rocking chair like this one and sitting in it. So let me just enjoy it a little bit more. Wow, this is so nice, guys. So you can sit here, enjoy your time. I love these cute little flowers pots. They are really cute. Look at this one. Yeah, I will sit here doing my crochet, just enjoy my time like this. Or maybe if I don't want to, I can sit down here on this small couch. Is this couch or something? Yeah, I can sit here and also do my crochet peacefully on this sofa. Yeah, like this. I'm shining, guys. Let me tell you something. I'm really grateful for having this opportunity to make it to Uganda, to make it to Kampala. Like, I've been dreaming for it for a very long time, and I'm just happy that I made it happen and I get here, and I just hope it's going to be one of the best experience in my life, or maybe I will learn very great things from here, from this journey. Like, I'm very grateful, like, you cannot understand. It's my first time going outside of Rwanda, outside of my country. Like, I'm just happy and grateful, you know. I can't find words to express my feelings right now. Yeah, but I'm very happy. I know it was not easy on the road, things were not, you know, but you know, we made it work and we made it here safely. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. All right, guys, so this is the place, really nice, and I'm loving the place. I'm enjoying the place. Yeah, I'm just having a good time here. So yeah, this is how it is. I'm going to go to my room, take a shower, and relax a bit, or maybe go check out the town and see how the town looks like. By the way, I almost forgot to tell you the price. So I paid 52 US dollars for 3 nights, you know, which is around 70, maybe 70 something Rwandan francs. Yeah, that's how much this place costs, and it's really affordable compared to other places I've seen. And that one includes breakfast. 52 includes breakfast. Yeah, so we'll see what we are going to have in the morning as a breakfast. So guys, tell me, do you think it was a fair price or it was expensive? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's a fair price or it's not worth it? You know, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Leave a positive comment, and also tell your friend to tell a friend to check out Miss Sintia, because you enjoyed this, you know, you enjoyed this vibe from this beautiful Rwandan girl. So from Rwanda to the world. All right guys, bye. Thank you for enjoying this room tour of where I'm staying, of where I'm staying in Uganda. Bye. I love you all.